Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an image to an email address in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the email composition tools you'll need for creating your hyperlinked image. Once your emails have loaded, you'll want to access the email composition tools. Look for the New Email button located in the top left part of your screen and click on it. This will open a fresh email composition window where you'll be able to create your hyperlink. Now, in the email composition screen, start by typing the email address that you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, you might type something like support@company.com. Once you've typed it in, highlight the entire email address by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With the email address highlighted, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From the list of options that appears, click on Edit Hyperlink. This is the feature that allows you to customize what happens when someone clicks on that email address, including the ability to link it to an image instead. An Edit Hyperlink window will now appear on your screen. This is where you can configure the hyperlink to point to an image file instead of just being a standard email link. In this window, click on the option that says Existing File or Web Page. This tells Outlook that you want to link to a file stored on your computer rather than a web URL. Once you click that, you'll see your folder directory appear, showing all the files and folders on your computer. From here, simply navigate through your folders to locate the image you wish to add to this hyperlink. Once you find it, click on the image file to select it. After selecting the image, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. Outlook will now process your selection and attach the image to the email hyperlink. The hyperlink will remain displayed as the email address in your email body, but when someone clicks on it, the image you selected will be shown or opened. This is a great way to embed visual content directly into your emails without cluttering the message with large image files. And there you have it. You've successfully hyperlinked an image to an email address in Outlook, allowing recipients to access visual content with a simple click. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.